Hi there, students. In, on, or at, when talking about places and positions. Let's see, one phrase I very often hear from students is the phrase in the beach. And to me, if somebody says in the beach, then you're buried to your neck in sand and your head's above the surface of the beach and the rest of you is inside the beach. So in means inside, enclosed in a 3D space. I think it would be much better on the beach. So most normally you are on a 2D surface, a two-dimensional surface. And on is on a surface, but in is inside a three-dimensional space. And then at is more difficult. I think we use at to talk about a specific point or a place where an activity occurs. But we'll look at the activity in a minute. So, on the beach, in the beach, or at the beach. So we could say at the beach because this is at a specific point, at a specific place. I will meet you at the beach, at a specific place. So, let's see. The street. On the street or in the street? Well, I think both are valid. Either you are thinking about the flat two-dimensional surface of the street, on the street. He was walking on the street, on the surface. He was walking in the street. You're considering the buildings around you and you are inside what seems to be an enclosed space. I will meet you at Oxford Street, at number 17 Oxford Street, at a specific place. So, in the city, on the city, at the city. Well, clearly, in the city you are inside and the city surrounds you. An island. On an island, in an island, at an island. No, you are on an island. I guess if you were thinking about the 3D in the island, there are, but most normally on an island. A tree. So you are inside a tree. So in the tree there is a nest. The floor. The floor is flat, 2D, on the floor. The crossroads. So at the crossroads, this is a specific place. The corner. Well, I will meet you at the corner, a specific place. But the boy stood in the corner. So here, in the corner, it's like he is surrounded by the corner, but at the corner for a specific place. In the book, there are lots of words. I put it on the book, on the table. The bus stop. I will meet you at the bus stop, at a specific place. London, in the city. The moon, on the surface of the moon. The 5th floor, on the 5th floor, because we're thinking about this flat place. But at the corner, a specific part of the 5th floor. Now let's think about some methods of transport. So you are on a bicycle. I know it's not exactly flat, but you are on it. You are not enclosed inside it. You are on a horse, you're on top of it. But in a car. And maybe you tie some things on to the roof of the car. Now, on the bus or in the bus, we can use both. Inside the 3D space. On the flat floor that goes the whole way through it. On the train or in the train, both again are valid, because we're thinking about either one long flat surface on the train or in the train enclosed by the walls of it. On the aeroplane or in the aeroplane. On the ship or in the ship. So, the river. Well, either you are swimming in the river, or maybe you are in a boat on the river, or maybe on a boat on the river. So are you on the boat or enclosed by it? In the sky, surrounded by the clouds, in the clouds. So, in a doorway, in the space of the door, but at the door, a place. I will meet you at the door. He was standing in the door, in the middle, in the space. Okay, let's look at this activities. We use at for places where activities are going on. So, at school, at the office, at the hospital, at work, at the pub, okay, at university, at the football ground. Okay, these are all examples of where we're using at for a place where an activity goes. And I guess this is a specific place, and that's maybe why at. So, on a 2D surface, in a 3D environment, and at a specific point, or at a place where an activity occurs. So, I hope these examples have helped you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.